In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower music volume in InVideo's advanced editor. If you've ever felt like the background music is competing with your voiceover or visuals, this quick walkthrough will help you dial it in so your message takes center stage. First, open your project in the editor. InVideo usually adds a music track automatically, so once the project loads, you'll see the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your media layers live and where you'll make the adjustment. Now locate the audio. The music track typically sits underneath your video layer on the timeline and is represented by a waveform. If you have multiple audio layers, take a moment to identify the one that contains your background music rather than your voiceover. The music track often has a waveform that spans the full length of your edit, and it may be labeled accordingly. Click directly on the audio track to select it. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted or outlined and the editing options become active. If nothing changes, try clicking again to make sure you've selected the audio layer and not a video or text element. With the audio track selected, look to the top toolbar for a small speaker or volume icon. This is the control you'll use to adjust loudness. When you click it, a volume slider will appear. If the icon looks disabled, double check that your audio track is still selected on the timeline. Lower the volume by dragging the slider to the left. You'll see the percentage decrease as you move it. Lower numbers mean quieter music. A good starting point for background music under dialogue is often in the 10 to 25% range, which keeps the music present without overpowering narration. If your edit is more visual and doesn't rely on a voiceover, you might keep it a bit higher, but still aim for a comfortable balance. Make small adjustments and watch the levels as you go. The goal is clarity. Your voice should be crisp and intelligible, and the music should support, not distract. Take your time with the slider and make a note of the level that feels right for your project so you can keep things consistent across scenes. And remember, lowering volume is non-destructive, so you can always revisit the slider later if you need to fine-tune. That's it. By opening your project, selecting the music track, clicking the volume icon, and adjusting the slider, you've set a professional, listener-friendly balance.